Hi, I'm Maureen Connell, and this is my introduction for EDT 520. I'm going to talk about my role and who I work with, my learning environment, my strengths and weaknesses as an educator, my hopes for this class, and a little more about me personally. First of all, my role and my learners. I am the Innovation Center Director at Caribou Middle School. That's my school picture for this year. My job is to develop the new Innovation Center programming and help get the whole program kind of up and running before we move to the new school in the summer of 2020. I started this past August, and the idea is to really be integrating projects into the curriculum so that by the time we move into the new space, we'll really be ready to go. My learners are currently 4th through 8th graders. Eventually, in the new school, I'll have kindergarten through 8th grade. We are located in Caribou, Maine. I typically have classes of 10 to 30 students, but it really depends on the project. And I also even sometimes do independent studies with students as well. Those are some of my 5th graders in the photos there, working on covered wagon projects and also with the Edison robots. My learning environment. Currently, I am in a former tech ed space, so I do have a lot of tools and big equipment. The new school will be quite different though, so this is really just kind of the beginning. All students have a device, so it's a one-to-one device, at least through the 4th through 8th grade, I should say. I have 2 3D printers. I have various types of robots, including Spheros, Bebots, and Edison. I have several LEGO robotic sets, some breakout EDU kits, and then lots of hands-on crafting, woodworking, metalworking type materials. I'm also looking to purchase some VR equipment soon. Strengths and weaknesses as an educator. I would say my strengths are communication. I also think I'm very willing to try new things and take risks. I am very organized and try to be very prepared before a class comes in. However, I'm also very adaptable, so if I learn from a lesson things that didn't go well or things that need to be changed, I adjust. My weaknesses are finding a balance between structure and flexibility, because I'm quite structured and organized, but I also know that, especially with open-ended projects, students need to have a lot of freedom. I sometimes struggle to understand the big picture. I'm very detail-oriented, so sometimes that's challenging for me. I'm also sometimes, I'd say, a little bit too independent and not reaching out to collaborate as much as I could, or maybe should, so I'm working on that. My hopes for this class. I am really looking for anything helpful, so especially applicable, concrete ideas that I can bring into the classroom, like tomorrow or today, and just lots of ways to integrate technology and creativity into classes. A little bit more about me. I am married to Ian. We've been married for almost 14 years. And I'm mom to Kyle. He's 9 and in 3rd grade. And Abra, she's 6 and in 1st grade. That's us in Quebec City over New Year's. I am a lifelong learner. I'm constantly trying to learn new things, whether it be through podcasts, videos, books, classes. Lately, I've been into learning how to make paper circuits. So that's a birthday card I made recently for my sister. I'm a runner. Lately, I've been falling while I run twice recently, so I'm looking for a good new route. And I also got a treadmill recently, so that's been nice. So I don't have to run outside as much in the winter. I am also a reader. I love to read, especially right before bed every night. And that's it. Thank you for listening.